BNZ Airpoints Visa app, the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a straightforward way to earn Airpoints without a premium price tag, the BNZ Airpoints Visa could be exactly what you need. But before you apply, let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The BNZ Airpoints Visa is simple. You earn $1 Airpoints dollar for every $130 you spend. It's not the fastest rate, but it's a solid option for everyday spending. There's also no need to worry about hidden charges or complicated reward structures. The annual fee is low compared to other Airpoints cards, making it a smart entry-level choice. Plus, you still earn status points on your Air New Zealand spend, and the card includes standard Visa security and global acceptance. Now, for the cons. There is no travel insurance, purchase protection, or premium perks. This is a bare-bones card focused purely on earning points. The earn rate is slower than Platinum or Elite versions, so if you spend heavily, you might want to upgrade. So woe's it for? The BNZ Airpoints Visa is ideal for casual Air New Zealand flyers who want to earn points without paying high annual fees. The surprising truth? It's not a card for luxury, but for practicality, a solid, no-fuss way to build your Airpoints balance while keeping costs low.